children, today we're going to focus on American history. Right, Mr. Quigg? That's right, Mr. Garrison. American history.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Now we mentioned that in the classroom again, Mr. Harrison. And now we all learn from Mr. Quigg.
What about your mama?
No.
Move it.
Coming back, and I don't want
You
to
need to
hear
look at your mom.
Anyway, children, your turn on history textbook.
Your mama. Your mom.
We'll be right after this.
Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just died. I was petting him and I died. Oh my god. It's over.
Closely work back there. Anyway, children.
No.
What level are you?
37.
You can yell at him.
That was my fault.
Although he didn't follow you.
I
I cannot believe I just died.
But you can
Stanley, why don't you come up here right now and read your note?
when you're about to follow him.
You have such a great brigade of no cheats that they tell you. I you where you have
Not for amateur Skylar.
What's Skylar?
You know, like Tom Pooley.
Oh man.
Thank you for coming on such short notice. I was just disciplining your son for his skylarkings. Stanley, Skylarking?